Hello everyone, this is Wes here from Resurrection Auto. Got a 2007 Ford F150 with a 4.6 liter V8. I've been chasing an exhaust leak for about almost a month now. This truck is very common on this truck to have exhaust manifold studs break, and then you get exhaust blow-by on that cylinder. And so initially I replaced the driver's side exhaust manifold because it sounded like it was coming from over here. Well, it turns out that after I replaced the manifold, the problem was actually a little worse. So I thought, well, it must be the driver's side manifold, maybe just the way the sound is traveling. I just can't quite make it out. So I spent another couple $100 and lots of time, because the passenger side is much more difficult, replace the passenger side, and that did not fix the problem as well. So then I thought, well, maybe I didn't get the gasket seated properly on this driver's side, because this still sounded like the area it was coming from. And so I took the exhaust manifold just loose and just tried to make sure the gasket was seated properly. It was, and I retightened all the bolts. Problem was exactly the same. So after that, I checked other things like the EGR tube to make sure it wasn't leaking. I mean, I looked and looked and looked. I actually took off the valve cover, gap valve cover, to look and see if I had a roller follower problem. I didn't. Still the same sound, sounded like exhaust. So finally, I decided to do an old trick that I saw actually online. I connected a shop vac. This is actually acting as a blower, not a vacuum cleaner, and ran it into the tailpipe so I could pressurize the system when the system was completely cool, to see if I could find where in the world this exhaust leak was coming from. And lo and behold, it was on the driver's side. It was the manifold, and it was leaking very badly. So I came and, I took the exhaust manifold off. This is brand new from Advanced Auto. There's part of the problem right there, and there's the actual problem. That exhaust manifold failed immediately after I installed it the first time. It just blew apart. Look at that in there. Unbelievable. So what happened, the end result was I did have an initial exhaust manifold leak that was probably caused by a broken stud in the rear cylinder. But when I replaced it, I ended up getting an exhaust manifold that failed immediately and gave almost the identical symptom as the original problem. So, wow, that was a long journey to find that problem. But hey, I'm really thankful I was able to find it, and I think that vacuum cleaner method was perfect for finding this problem. So I just want to shoot this because it might be helpful to you. Hey, I want to let you know that I am a Christian. The reason I shoot my videos is so that I can give you a chance to see what Christianity is all about. Even on moments when the repairs don't go well, doesn't change my opinion about eternity. So I just posted on the top right a link to a video on how to become a Christian. I want you to take a peek at that. Hey, thanks for listening. I hope this helps you in your repairs. Take care, and God bless.